Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henen kasngi ka arpunyo tore unai lor, kinong hikai ringkat ki kena skol jong ka Jaïaw Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kila pelong yaki program baper shibenta ban Rakhe ya kasngi Kyrpang jong ki Kmie kipa ne ka Parents Day. Ya kani ka Rakhe la pelong hapo Dinam Hall Jaïaw Shillong. Hakaba UMDC ka Jaïaw uba adelba nongrom ulalong kongsan. Kat ba teman basan FJ Mairom ulalong sembut kongsan. Kiway day ki balay dan lang hakani kasngi ki kentop yu Reverend WC Kongwer ikong I8 khar ibalong principal jong ni skol uba S Mobley ibalong headmaster nang ta ki Kmie ki pa jong ki kena skol lambat kiway day ki bala syakor soba hakani kasngi ki kena skol kilale buram Kyrpang ki Kmie ki pa lengba ki jingshat ki jingruai bat kiway day ki jilek kai hlorensan ki bala penmelan yala ki Kmie ki pa Kaban pensak kan mau susu ya ke Jaïaw Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ya kani kasngi kalongru namar bah kani kasngi lapalai pajba ya ke school anthem the president jong ke managing committee jong kani ke school Reverend WC Kongwer
hani kasngi ko bakrau ko bakmen jong ki Kmie ki pa ko bangayang kani ke por tang ko chief guest ko kongsan bo bikot ngani kasngi Nega yang lu cukup por, kum benta, hak jaga, kum Kmie kipa. Ban keren, ya kani, ka subject kabalong very vital. Kam tam hapre kani por ke juk benta. Ban long Kmie kipa, kam dei ka basu. Kadai ka bae, kadai ka bajuat. Kumnoban saindur ya kayeng kasem. Namar menta ngia perta ngia Kmie lenti. Ya baro ngi kubur for a change. Ngia perta ngia hala for a change. Rekabra migi singi not for a change but for a change. CHAIN not CHANGE. Namar tak kadau ngangkuang menganduno ani ke program kebaga Jaïaw Presbyterian Higher Secondary School lakor sobai ani sngi masuk bomdei balmes nang benda bandar lang rekan maradi ke program kebaga Kyrpang yaki Kmie kipa
I was very much proud to see that our school children have the same talent, the capacity that the students in other schools, the premier schools in around Shillong could perform. They can compete with the other children in other schools of this Shillong city. And I would encourage the teachers and the students and the management of the school that they should never have the inferiority complex, but always have the ambition that our school should rise higher and climb up higher and higher till it reaches to the climax of glory, name and fame, and that it will contribute towards making the citizens of Shillong in general and the citizens of Jaïaw in particular to be the good, responsible citizens not only of Shillong but of the Khasi and Jantia, Meghalaya and India, and will become great people of the world.
see the grandness of your majesty. The universe is singing all your glory. I can't